Hey guys, Tim Pritchett here, McKaig Chevrolet Buick in Gladewater, Texas, your dealer for the people. And I wanted to do a quick how-to video for you on the remote start on this 2019 Buick Encore. So basically what you want to do, you have the key fob here, and basically this button here up on the top right, which looks like a circle with the bottom cut out of it. So basically what you want to do is just lock the car, make sure it actually honks, and then hold down this button here for about 3 seconds, and you can hear that it starts. So that thing will stay running for about 10 minutes. That way it can stay warm, get warm for you in the winter time, or cool off for you in the summertime. So basically what you want to do is come right up here. You can unlock it with the key, or come down here to the handle, press the button there. You can open up the door, jump inside, and then the only thing that's going to be working is going to be the air conditioner or the heater. So basically what you want to do is put your foot on the brake, press that button one time. As you can see, everything starts firing up, so that way you can put it in drive and go. Whenever you do start it with the remote, everything is dead, like I say, except for the air conditioner. That's a safety feature. That way can't nobody just jump in your car and take off on it. So I'd be glad to show it to you in person and tell you a little bit more about this Buick Encore. So give me a call here at McKaig, 903-374-0217. Again, ask for Tim.